Hey everyone, here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, taking a look at the 2023 Yamaha 222 Fish Sport. This is a 22-foot boat. Comes with the tandem axle aluminum trailer. Nice stern seating area that's special to Yamaha jet boats. Let me climb up inside, let's take a look. T-top with rocket launchers, nice center console, leaning post seat that flips back to first face rearwards, jump seats on each corner that flip and close, live well, huge bow, lots of seating, speakers, cup holders, grab rail, dedicated anchor storage, front mounted T-top seat, and tons of storage on this boat as well. Just everywhere you look, we've got storage, rod holders, and we have lots of Yamahas in stock. Please come see us at MarineMax in Greenville.